Welcome back to another journey, where I hope you find this entertaining, informative, and even a little bit inspiring when it comes to life goals for travels. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing and liking the videos, as we have more content to share in the future. You join me today on a very special trip on Hawaiian Airlines from San Francisco to the beautiful island of Maui. Now, I haven't flown business class in quite some time on a domestic US flight, so I was interested in seeing what Hawaiian's product offers. Hawaiian Airlines typically uses two types of aircraft when flying to the continental United States. This one is the A321 Neo, which stands for New Engine Option. As you can see, Hawaiian Airlines provides a modern yet minimalistic and standard US business class seat in their domestic US flights. And as with any typical US domestic flight, I set the bar pretty low so that I'm not immediately disappointed. But in this case, Hawaiian pleasantly surprised me with their very friendly service. Now, this is a newer generation of the A320 family, even though it looks in a very familiar shell. I can absolutely tell the difference in terms of the cabin pressure and the difference in the noise levels when compared to the other A320s that I've flown for years and years. I recently did one with American Airlines, and I'll share with you on a domestic business class experience in the future.
fasten seatbelt sign. You are now free to use approved electronic devices. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are allowed. However, please remember, electronic devices that have transmittal capabilities must be in airplane mode. Please use the lavatories in the cabin in which you're seated. For guests seated in our main cabin, lavatories are in the middle and back sections of the aircraft. We'd appreciate if you didn't congregate in galleys, lavatory areas, and the flight deck entryway. Mahalo.
Final thoughts about Hawaiian Airlines. I thought the experience was actually much better than some of the domestic carriers. The crew were very friendly and very accommodating as well, as I had switched seats.
ensure that your bag is going on to your final destination. Should you
Sometimes I
default
think
that
that
they
it's the
also might
destination that
turn
actually
your
gets the
bag
crew
in,
even
but just
friendlier.
to be sure.
But with Hawaiian Airlines, I definitely felt them a